Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so the system accepts a fake position. First, enable developer options and give yourself the mock location toggle. Then install and allow a reliable mock location app. Once installed, set it as the mock app in developer options. Also make sure to disable background location precision features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning so they won't correct the spoof. These steps let you override GPS quickly and prevent automatic location corrections before you begin the actual spoof. Once done with setup, open your mock location app and choose the target spot by searching coordinates or dropping a pin. You control exact latitude/longitude. Next, refine how the phone moves. Set a static point for one location, or create a route and set speed if you need motion. Use smoothing or jitter reduction to avoid unrealistic jumps. Make sure to grant any runtime permissions the app requests. After configuring, immediately test in Google Maps and a location check utility to verify the phone reports the new position. To finish, keep the mock location app active and, if possible, lock it in recent apps so the system won't kill it. Make sure foreground permissions are granted so the spoof persists. If a target app detects spoofing, make sure to clear its cache, restart that app, or toggle mock permissions off and on to reset sensors. If things still go wrong, reboot the phone, regrant permissions, or try an alternative mock app. These steps usually resolve sensor fusion conflicts and restore a stable spoof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.